In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add text in Docusign, which is a step-by-step guide to enhance your document signing process. Let's jump right in. First, you'll need to navigate to Docusign's website, where you'll find the interface they offer for electronic signatures and intelligent agreement management. This platform is renowned for its ease of use and efficiency, making it widely popular for managing digital agreements. Once you're on the Docusign homepage, the next step is to log into your account. You'll see the login option prominently displayed on the site. A simple click will take you to the login page. Here you can enter your credentials to access your account. Make sure you have those ready, as you'll need them to proceed. If you've forgotten your password, there's usually a handy forgot password link on the page as well. After successfully logging in, you'll be directed to your Docusign homepage. This is your hub for all things related to document management. From here, locate the Start button. Clicking on it will initiate the process of setting up a new document for signing. It's your gateway to effortlessly getting a document ready for digital signatures. Now you're ready to add the particulars of your document. You'll need to provide some details about the document you're preparing. This could include the name of the document, the recipients who need to sign, and possibly a brief description or notes about the document's purpose. This step is crucial as it sets the framework for the rest of the signing process. Once all the details are in place, you're ready to proceed. Next, move forward in the process by clicking on the Next button. This action takes you deeper into the preparation phase and leads to the core of today's tutorial. Once you're on the next screen, you'll see various options that allow you to customize the signing fields on your document. This is where the magic happens. Among these options, locate the Text field. By clicking on text, you can add areas where recipients can input information onto the document. It might be used for names, dates, addresses, or any other text that needs to be completed. Simply drag and drop this text field to wherever it's needed in your document layout. Placement is key here, so pay attention to where the information should be inserted. And there you have it, you're now ready to save or send the document with the added text fields. Adding text fields in Docusign is a powerful way to ensure that all necessary data is collected quickly and efficiently. By following these steps, you take full advantage of what Docusign has to offer, ensuring clear, complete, and convenient documentation every time. Thank you for joining me in this Docusign tutorial. Happy document signing.